Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to our channel Servicexpert. Today, we are delving deep into the world of SUVs, pitting two exceptional contenders against each other, the Mazda CX-5 and the Mazda CX-50. Buckle up because we are about to embark on a thrilling comparison journey. So, let's dive right in. Mazda has been long synonymous with top-notch engineering, reliability and style. The CX-5, a long-standing favorite, has proven itself as a reliable and safe small SUV, capturing hearts with its sleek design and excellent performance. Enter the CX-50, the newcomer in the Mazda SUV lineup, introduced in 2023. It promises an overlap with the CX-5, leaving car enthusiasts in a dilemma which one to choose. Let's kick things off with the aesthetics. The CX-5 embodies elegance, boasting a clean and timeless design that has aged remarkably well over the years. On the other hand, the CX-50 brings a rugged, outdoorsy vibe to the table, designed for those who crave adventure and off-road capabilities. Both vehicles showcase Mazda's signature craftsmanship, making them a sight to behold on the road. Now, step inside and you will find interiors that redefine comfort and luxury. The CX-5 and the CX-50 pamper occupants with premium materials, ergonomic design, and array of color options. Mazda's attention to detail shines though, creating an ambience that feels both sophisticated and inviting. When it comes to passenger space, both models offer a comparable experience, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone on the board. Under the hood, these SUVs share a similar heart, a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This powerhouse is coupled with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering 187 horsepower and 187 pound-feet of torque. It's a combination that strikes a balance between performance and efficiency. If you are seeking an extra kick, both models offer a turbocharged version of the engine, elevating the driving experience to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about safety. Mazda has equipped both the CX-5 and CX-50 with an impressive array of safety features, earning them top-notch safety ratings. From advanced driver assistance systems to robust passive safety measures, these SUVs provide peace of mind for you and your beloved ones. Additionally, the infotainment systems in both models are intuitive and user-friendly, seamlessly integrating with your smartphone for a connected driving experience. So, now the million-dollar question: which one offers better value for your hard-earned money? When it comes to pricing, the CX-5 comes in slightly lower than its newer counterpart, the CX-50. However, the price difference is justified by the additional features and capabilities the CX-50 brings to the table. It's a matter of personal preference and budget, but rest assured, both models offer excellent value considering the quality Mazda is known for. In the grand scheme of things, choosing between the Mazda CX-5 and CX-50 is akin to selecting a fine wine. It depends on your taste. The CX-5, with its timeless design and established reputation, appeals to those who appreciate classic elegance. On the flip side, the CX-50, with its adventurous spirit and modern features, caters to the thrill seekers explorers among us. So, which Mazda SUV speaks to your soul? Are you enchanted by the sophistication of the CX-5, or does daring allure of the CX-50 captivate your senses? Share your thoughts and join the discussion below in the comments. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching us today, and we will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.